lot of challenges for dairy farmers. In this news, let us examine on how Indian cooperative sector has converted those challenges into opportunities. The demand of milk dropped by 20 to 25%, mainly due to closure of Horeca during the lockdown. Total collection of milk also dropped, but now got settled at 56 million litre per day. The drop in liquid milk sales by cooperatives brought an additional burden of around 5 million litre per day of milk on cooperatives. An extra purchase of 111 crore litres of milk has ensured payment of rupees 4,100 crore to 2 crore farmers during this period by the cooperative sector. In addition to this, a working capital support and entrance subvention on extra stocks of dairy commodities created during the lockdown period will unlock a liquidity of rupees 5,000 crores to the cooperative processors. In order to support millions of farmers in the country during this unprecedented times of COVID, Modi government has launched Atmanirbhar Bharat scheme. In this scheme, rupees 1 lakh crore Agri Infrastructure Fund is proposed for farm gate infrastructure. This funding will be supporting agriculture infrastructure project for post-harvest stage at all aggregation points. It will be covering primary agricultural cooperative societies, farmer producer organizations, agriculture entrepreneurs and startups to ensure efficient collective marketing at farm level. The fund will act as a catalyst for development of farm gate and aggregation points and making it affordable and financially viable for post-harvest management infrastructure. From dairy perspective, it is assumed that cold chain infrastructure would also get covered in it with Pradhan Mantri Sampada Yojana. A new animal husbandry infrastructure development fund of rupees 15,000 crore is proposed especially for the dairy sector under Atmanirbhar Bharat scheme. This would help creation of an additional capacity of around 5 crore litre per day of milk processing in the country. This scheme will be implemented in many areas in the country with high milk production and will invite private sector investment for building dairy infrastructure. This fund aims to support dairy processing, especially for value-added products like cheese, butter, casein, etc., and cattle feed manufacturing infrastructure. This scheme also has provisions for giving incentives for establishing dairy plants for the exports of niche products. Despite the disruption caused by lockdown, brands like Maggi, KitKat and Munch helped Nestle India to deliver strong performances. The standout performance by Nestle outperformed almost all the peers in the related FMCG segment. In the first quarter results of calendar year 2020, Nestle saw a revenue growth by 10.8%, EBITDA growth by 5.3%, PAT growth by 13.4%. This was Nestle's 10th consecutive quarter with growth. Their export revenue growth reached to 12.9% on year-on-year basis for the first time in 5 quarters. They also achieved a domestic sales growth of 10.7% on year-on-year basis. It is presumed that the negative impact of out-of-home consumption during lockdown period got set off by the contribution made by e-commerce sales. There is a good news for farmers of Jammu and Kashmir and Srinagar Valley. As per Shri Naveen Chaudhary, Principal Secretary Animal Husbandry in the state of J&K, the government of J&K has proposed incentives to dairy farmers in Jammu and Kashmir for setting up dairy businesses. These incentives will be applicable for setting up of dairy units, milk chilling plants, milk processing plants, and bulk vending of milk including Anytime Milk or ATM. There are evidences that the dairy cooperatives in India are paying less to farmers during lockdown period. A case from Mathura Dugh Utpadak Sangh reveals a drastic reduction in milk prices during this period. Mathura Cooperative in Uttar Pradesh was paying rupees 44 to farmers for 6.5% fat and 9% SNF on March 9th. The price was reduced in the following pattern. On March 14, it was reduced to 42. On March 18, rupees 40. On March 23rd, rupees 37. On March 30, rupees 34. On April 3, rupees 30. On April 25th, there was a slight increase by rupee 1 and it reached to rupees 31. In Maharashtra state also, the prices plummeted from rupees 32 rupees 50 paisa in mid-March to as low as rupees 18 to 20 per litre for dairy farmers for milk having 3.5% fat and 8.5% SNF. Now it is hovering around rupees 21.50 per litre for dairy farmers, though the landed cost at the plant level is around rupees 25. As per a study published in journal the BMJ Open Diabetes Research and Care, eating at least 2 daily servings of dairy-rich diet is linked to lower risk of diabetes and high blood pressure, as well as the cluster of factors that heighten cardiovascular disease risk. Dairy products included in the research were milk, yogurt, yogurt drinks, cheese, and dishes prepared with dairy products, and they were classified as full or low fat from 1 to 2% fat range. All the participants were from 35 to 70 years of age from 21 countries including India.